Hello everybody, this is Dark Knight the Dragon here. I am here to do a review on a mod that I think is really awesome. So I'm just starting out in this little library here, but that is where we're going to be working on the mod right down there. This little, you know, ah, this guy, oh wait, I almost got, yeah, wait a minute. Oh no. So, I'm going to go through the crafting recipes for some of these things, and I'm going to go through how to do certain things. First off, I'm going to go to the recipe for the scraper, which is just 2 stone sticks and 1 iron, and stone sticks are made by putting 2 cobblestone like that. So now I'm going to take out this scraper, and I'm going to right click this pig, and I should get some of his DNA. Come here. Come on. Let me get your DNA, you know. Where'd it go? Okay. Well, I know I want that. Crud, I'm lagging like I'm... You can go away. So I can't wait till oh gosh, why am I lagging so much? Maybe it's because I'm recording, I don't know. But anyway, so now, I'm going to go in here, and as you can see, I have all this stuff. So first off, I am going to show you a crafting recipe. I have some other mods installed, by the way, but don't pay attention to them right now. We're just going to mess around with the advanced genetics mod, which is, right now we're crafting ourselves the syringe, which is just 3, I'm lagging right now, I'm 3 which is just like that. Keep that in mind. Now we want to, take them blood out. This is very freaky, by the way. Oh gosh, geez. So now, poop. And now we want to, every time you do something with this syringe, you want to centrifuge it, just so you know. Just so you know. So now, what do we do with the, little skin scales? Well, I actually am going to mess around with some other skin, though. I'm going to mess around with the bat first. Just because, like, the bat gives you ability that I hope you know. Okay, so I have this. So I'm going to, just going to kill it right now because I really need it for anything else. Okay, yeah, that's from another mod. Don't worry about that. That's from another mod. Don't worry about it. I'm just going to dupe it real fast so I can get like so I can get what I want. So then you need this thing, which is called a DNA analyzer, and this, which is called a combustion engine. Combustion engine, just craft it like this, with a spider side in the middle, so 6 iron, 2 furnaces, boom. And then, the centrifuge is just 4 needles and and 4 iron and a basic DNA dictionary, which is crafted with a book and 4 cells, just so you know. And then also, where was it? I put it with the DNA analyzer, which is just 8 iron, like so. So, wait, did I miss something? I might have missed something, just a minute. It's 8 iron and a magnifier, which is fed with a piece of glass and a stone stick. So then, when you put them in here and supply it with power, you will get these cells. They don't stack, by the way. And when you get them, then take them out. You're going to put them into the DNA extractor, and hope you get a certain ability, among other things. But the pig doesn't give anything other than a basic gene, which doesn't do anything, by the way. So let's see. The basic genes. I've done this so many times, I know what a basic gene looks like, to be honest, but I do know that you do need them. By the way, you can also equip these with things to speed them up, which I think I will do. Let me just go into here, go at add van. There you go. So now let's just grab ourselves a... What was I going to grab again? Got it. Oh yeah, overclocker. So basically, here's the overclocker, which basically, when you equip it to any of these things, it gets faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So basically, it makes it, faster and more efficient. So now we want to go into... So now we have the basic gene, so we'll just put that into here, the DNA splitter, so now, also, when you get, so the DNA splitter is just a basic DNA dictionary, a diamond, and 7 iron. A DNA extractor is a hopper, 7 iron, basically the same recipe, only with a hopper instead of a diamond. The DNA Decryptor is piece of paper. It's the same recipe with a piece of paper. Just keep that in mind. So basically, you'll need to do all this stuff. So, is there anything that I'm not going over? I'll go over that later. So, now we want to try to get a special gene, which is received from certain mobs. And I say certain mobs because some of them give it, some of them don't. Oh, I think I got it. I think I might have got it. So let's see. What do you got? So we put in the Decryptor to find out what it gives. And we get night vision or basic gene. You can also get fly from them, by the way. So just so you know. So also, we want... Well, I guess I'll take the night vision, yeah, sure. So now, the reason why I say keep this basic gene is because it is important to one of the basic things that you need to do. Which happens to do with the breeder, which the breeder is crafted using 2 wheat, 6 iron, and one basic basic DNA dictionary. Jeez. We got another basic gene. I'm just going to throw these things away because I can dupe them right now, because I'm just showing off a mod. But anyway, I actually wanted to show this off originally just before I get it. I think I found the one that I want. So after this, I'm also going to cheat a few of them. So we got night vision again. Great. Well, anyway, you can get actually the fly ability from them. Just let me find it. Speed. No, we want the fly. Now here's what it does. So after you get these, you actually. So as you can see, after. Where did it go? Oh, I left it in there. So after you get the gene done. And to put it into the breeder, like so, and as you can see, it says that it needs 16 of them. So basically, I just need to put 16 of this gene, of these basic genes, or the same gene. So in other words, like this one, and then so on and so forth. And then eventually, I will get my. Oh wait, yep, lovely. I duped it to infinite amount. So let's do this legit, and then I'll do it. And then I'll just show you what all the things do. So, some of them I can't do because some of them require 2 players, unfortunately. But I can show you the other thing. The ones that require 2 players are ones like the cow's ability and stuff, which we'll get to here in a bit. 13, 14, 15, and 16. And after this, it should be complete. Yep, and it's complete. So now, what do I do with this, you might be wondering? Well, you take this out of here, and wait, what did I do with it? Did I not get it, really? Where did I not get it? Did I seriously not get it? Where is it? It's the remover, combiner. So you want this combiner here, which its recipe is just 2 cells, a syringe, a basic DNA dictionary, and 5 iron. And basically what you want to do here is you want to just put the centrifuge, syringe, and the cell, or gene, into there. And then, like, just, put it in there, and then you should get a filled syringe. Now, you don't want to inject this directly into you. You actually want to put it back into the centrifuge first, and then you want to inject it into you. You have to do centrifuge everything, but now you'll get nausea, and as you can see, I now have night vision. The nausea will wear off, don't worry. I actually need to get some overclockers for this. So basically, there's several different abilities, which one of them is why I'm in survival mode, by the way. So let me just exject. This is one of the ways that you save your progress, by the way, as well. Just so you know, you actually have to, like, save it in there. There's another way, but I'll get to that later. So let me just put it in with the fly ability. Why not? I mean, why not? I love to fly in Minecraft, so then I will put it in there. So now the other way I'll show you right now is to craft this, which is a homeostasis tube, homostasis tube, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, we just craft this 4 iron, a syringe, and a piece of glass. Now what this does is you place it down. Let me do this. You place it down like I'm about to do. I'm just going to you can place it anywhere, it doesn't matter. And it looks like this. It's kind of going in the wall, but But basically, what you have to do is when it's nighttime, let me just set it to night. So 1800 and boop. So it's going to turn to nighttime now, and now you just right-click a certain part of the stasis tube, and that part that you slept in will save your current progress. So watch, since I clicked in the bottom, it's going to, yep, injected DNA backup. So that will be there permanently now. I don't know what happens if you sleep in a bed afterwards, but I do know if you want to do it with and keep being able to like sleep in this, you're actually gonna have to pick it up first. Now, do it though when you're sure you're not gonna die and stuff, because otherwise you're going to lose all progress. So I think it's I'm in survival, which normally means I can't fly, but now I can, which is quite awesome. So like I said, the normal way to save it if you don't have that is to just do this, because that also saves what's in your blood, so you can inject it at a later date. So now, I pretty much showed you all these things here, you know, all this stuff right here and all that. Now, I actually need to kind of show you something else, but it requires me to get the DNA flying, or night vision, I guess it doesn't really matter. No, that's a basic gene, don't need that. Come on, give me what I need, please. Should have kept that other night vision, to be honest with you. That's another basic gene. Come on, please give me... I don't care whether it's night vision or flight, just give it to me. Okay, I think that might either be night vision or flight, so we had to put it in here. And then hopefully this video doesn't become too long, and I get... Okay, so I got the fly. So now... we might be wondering, well, what do I do with it? Well, first off, we're going to put it in here and split it. But this is how you get rid of it. Like, if you don't want to do stuff like this, I'll get to that later. Don't want to do, like, you know, so on and so forth, you know, stuff like this. You actually go to here, which is the DNA transmutator. You put it in here, and you breed it in here basically like you would any other thing. Need one organic drop. So, only you require organic drops, which are gotten by both this and this, which you just put them in here, I guess. You can also use these as a fuel too. Oh, I forgot to put in some fuel. Just a minute. Let me just B, there we go, and then let's put in some fuel on these things. I can't believe I forgot to put fuel on these. But anyway, like I was saying. Anyway, so yeah, and then it will process it like this, and it will create one of these anti-abilities. It basically just cures you of any of the genes that you don't want. So, like, for example, like this is one of the abilities that you can only use on double player, by the way. So this is, and then I believe you have to put it in the breeder after that. I'm not sure. Let's see. Hopefully this doesn't crash my game. Okay, yeah, you do have to put it in there to complete it afterwards. But basically, what you do there is just a minute. Let me get anti-night vision instead. Only egress. Oh, by the way, egress is coming from sheep, and you can do it. It basically just like if you don't have any other food. It's up here somewhere, but anyway. Jump. Water breather. That allows you to breathe on water. You get it from squid. Fly. Come on. Come on. Well, anyway, let's just... let me find it. I really want to show you this. Where could it be? Come on, please find it. 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 Come on, where could it be? I probably looked over it several thousand times. But anyway, you can cure yourself with that, and that will allow you to cure yourself. Now, I will show you something else. So I believe I picked up some pig stuff. Yeah, I did. So now let me just, you know, get this out of here. And let's just, you know, do these pig things. I'm just doing this to show you. Now, pigs are relatively useless other than to get the basic gene, just so you know. Anyway, so let me just, you know, put some of this stuff up here. Oh, by the way, I'm going to go into more into depth. Oh, by the way, the transmutator recipe is just 3 cells and a basic thing and 5 iron. This is what I'm about to show you, which is a advanced DNA dictionary, which is crafted with a basic 1 and 4 cells of any kind, and 4 iron, 2 pistons, and 1 lava bucket. And basically, I'll show you what that does. What it's doing here. Remover is where you put the 2 things. It's basically crafted like this with a cell in the middle. I forget how do you craft the adder? Let me see. No, not extractor. Where is it? It's right here. This is DNA combiner. DNA combiner. Combiner. Well, anyway, the DNA combiner, I believe I already showed you, I think. I hope. But anyway, I'm about ready to go into, like, how that works. Just a minute, let me just put some of these things up. Oh, by the way, this is what I'm about to go into with this. But anyway, basically you put the cell in here with your needle to, like, do whatever you need to do. Oh gosh, I'm lagging out crazy. Hopefully I'm not thinking I'm too much. So basically what we do in here is, first off, we need 2 cells of pigs. 1 to get a pig DNA, pretty much. I don't think it needs to be anything. I think it can be like just okay. Now we need to take this out. Now here's what you do. You put first off this one in here. Wait, did it run out of power or something? Oh no, I think it has to. I think it actually has to be red. Actually, just a minute. Let me just read it through to you know, the basic gene helix. Then you just put this in here. Now also, when you do this, you will need another syringe filled with your blood. Or, I guess, yeah, your blood. Or it could just be some other player's blood that you have playing on the same area as you. You will need it to be centrifuged. So let me just, you know, take this one out and replace it with this one. And then, let's go up here. Alright, come on. Okay, I'm going to need to put more overclocker than this thing. Okay, so there we go. So now let's see, is it done yet? There we go. Insulated helix, and then we want to get an insulated cell. It can be any cell, I believe. Now here's why. So when this gets done, I'll show you. So have you ever found it irritating to, you know, get animals back to a certain area, or even keep them there? Well, here's a good idea for you. So this is a DNA cloner. So basically, it's created with 5 iron, advanced DNA dictionary, 1 insulated helix, 1 insulated cell, and a syringe. And basically what you do is you put the insulated helix there, you put the syringe of any blood there, centrifuge, you put the insulated cell there, and then it clones. It should clone. It's cloned it somewhere. It's probably inside something, to be honest. Or underneath. Oh, there you go. It's cloned it inside. So it cloned it in a certain radius area. But anyway, that's how you do it. And you need the insulated helix of the mob. And it doesn't name the helix either, which is kind of a problem. So, like, you can see that with a pig one, but it doesn't say that it was a pig. But that's what affects what gets cloned. That's pretty much it in the model. Although, I will tell you the one awesome thing is if you get... Oh, there's the... It's not putting in the same spot. Yes, it is. So let me just show you this. So this is completed. So now, if you get the Ender Dragon's, you know, DNA, you can actually be able to be able to heal by the things. But anyway, that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to start by curing myself of nitrogen, to be honest with you, with my little pigpen that I've made, apparently. Okay, so let me just, you know, just put this in here, and poop. I should probably get some of these. There we go, and it's done, and then I just put it in here, and then I get myself, yep, cured of night vision, or as I should be. Yeah, see, now it's starting to run down. So, it doesn't cure immediately, but it does cure. So, that's all on this mod, but I know I can't really put it down in the description because I don't really have permission to distribute it. But I will say that it is a cool mod. It's called Advanced Genetics. So if you want it, just search it up. So that was this mod. Hold on. Okay. That was this mod, and this is Dark Knight. Taking off. Taking off. See you all in the next video. I'm glad to be back on YouTube. Yay!